Okay, this is the second video, and what I tell you, I want to show you how this works. We're supposed to use 28 volts, and I just have a small power supply with 20 volts. Then, you know, with that is enough to just make a test. Look, this is a field, magnet field. So look what happened when I apply power. You see this thing go inside. It's hard to put it inside. Let me. Okay, so if you hold this, supposed to be mounting. If I hold it, look, I can turn this piece. I able to turn it because require 28 volts. But see, look, I want to remove the power, and then it's turning. Once again, but you actually can probably use this part and put in a stepped motor because it's a standard. This part over here is 1/4 inch. This one, the other one is 3/8. The gears inside, they have a 1/4 inch inside, both. You know, the bearings are of course the 3/8 for this large, and the little ones the 1/4 inch. So I don't know, is this for a hobby CNC or for somebody to know this? But see, the gears is a nice gears to could be convert this in a Rotary table or linear actuator. So everything what you see in here is what I selling for $24.99, $7.50 shipping, parcel post. I have to build a box because this don't fit in a flat rate box, a small flat rate box USPS. So I need to build a custom box for that, and try to save money. $7.50 for shipping and $24.99.